Daddy!
Morning, DJ.
Are you busy, are you?
Actually, I am. Why is that?
Are you gonna do the new video of the microphone?
Yes, I'm well excited about the new microphone.
It's my new microphone.
What do you mean about your microphone? You are 5, mate. You don't have camera. You don't need a microphone. It's Daddy's microphone. Okay?
Well, that's what you think.
Well, I don't even know what that means. DJ, have you seen my camera?
Which camera?
Well, the one you were holding on, isn't it?
Oh, this one. And for my new microphone.
What do you mean your new microphone? This is my that is my camera, DJ.
Can you hear Daddy breaking up?
What do you mean? I'm just here.
1, 2, 3, going, Dad. What's up, guys? Welcome to my new video.
Check this.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we got another tech video. Right, guys, if it's your first time with us, just have a look on our YouTube channel, and if you like it, just please press like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can have the videos first. So we do videos about pretty much everything, but we love the gaming and the tech, so we put them together, and this is our channel, our family channel. So if you guys like it, please subscribe. And today we have something quite cool. So the sound on the videos is the most important thing on a YouTube video, with the lightning of course, but the sound, it's so important. If you got crappy sound, no one will watch it, isn't it? So I got something. So this is a Rode microphone. It's a Video Mic Go. This one is quite expensive. It's one of the best through. It's quite expensive. So I got a company called PFY, and they sent me a package with a microphone inside. And I've been using the microphone for a while, and let me tell you guys, for a fraction of the price of the Rode, you can have a very good microphone as well. So let's do the unboxing, and I will show you the microphone, and then I will do the testing with the sound, so you guys can see that it's pretty much the same. Okay, so for starting, on the package you have a cool sticker, as you guys can see, and you can go on Instagram and Facebook. This is a win-win, guys. This is well done, Martin, well done. So let's move on. So you open the box and you have your paperwork, and your microphone is all wrapped in bubbles. Cool, here it is. And guys, they make my day. Look what's inside. They make my day. Really cool, guys. Right, microphone, nice box, clean box, and you can see over there. So it will work with mobile phones, cameras. So I will do the test with my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and with a camera, of course. So let's have a look what we got inside. So when you open it, you have, is the box. Here you go, guys. You guys can see. So you have the quick guide, and quite cool. Got a stump, as you guys can see. Real cool. Right, microphone itself, it's all metal, and I don't see a difference from the Rode. Sorry guys, but I don't. Okay, the Rode I show you is bigger, so it's a different microphone. But the Rode got the smaller one as well, and it's quite cool. Metal, saying PFY there, and the microphone name is the Voice. Okay, let's move on. And 2 cables. The microphone mount, okay, cool, metal as well. Let's see what I got inside. This nice one as well, so you can keep your microphone inside. And, oh, cool, so this is for your iPhone, or for your phone, okay? So I'll show you that later. So let's mount the microphone on my Canon M50. That's why I like this microphone, because it's small, so I can use it when I'm vlogging with my Canon M50, instead of using the Rode that's too big. So here we go, got Canon M50. You just put it there, like that, and you put it there, and you just connect on the back. Like the Rode, you don't need any batteries. And oh, this one, where is it? Oh, it fell on the floor. Sorry guys. Put it back there, and you can adjust, and that's it, guys. Look how cool. So if you want to vlog, if you want to vlog, you will be doing like that. And you can see the microphone is small. So yeah, this is a premium microphone, guys. For 25 quid, you can have this microphone. I'll put the link down below where you can buy it. The company is from Germany, but they will ship to everywhere in the world. And guys, it's a win-win. Now I'll show you how to do with your phone, and then I'll put the sound testing. So if you have an iPhone, you will need this bit here, because iPhone doesn't have the microphone jack anymore. So what you do, you put this down here, and the other bit here on the back as well. And you got that small mount I'll show you. Here we go. You put it like that. And you put it like that, and let me show you what we do. And here we go, ready to vlog with your iPhone, and you will have a proper sound. Not that the sound that comes with the iPhone it's bad, it's not bad at all, but with this one the sound is much clearer. And TikTok is now a big thing, so everyone does TikToks. This is a perfect thing for TikTok. You got lovely sound, and you got a good camera on your iPhone. That's it. You don't need anything else. By the way, guys, we got TikTok as well. I'll put the link there. Follow us on TikTok. Right, guys, this is amazing. This microphone, for me, is one of the best at the moment. It's cheap, it's premium, and it brings everything that you need. So guys, please go on the link, have a look, and why not? If you need a microphone, just buy it. This is the best one. Right, guys, now I'm going to run the clips with the sound, so you can see the difference between the sound without the microphone and with the microphone, and using our on our camera. I will compare the sound with the Rhodes and this one. Just bear in mind, guys, that the Rhodes is bigger, so it's a better microphone just because it's bigger, okay? But I'm pretty sure this one will be the same. So this is a test using the PFY microphone and the Canon M50. This is a test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. So this is a test using the Canon M50 with the Rode microphone. Test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. So this is a test using the PFY microphone and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. So this is a test using the iPhone microphone only, and this is a test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3.
A few moments later.
Right, guys, so you've seen the sound with the microphone, without the microphone, on iPhone, on a camera. So guys, let me know down below what you guys think. Is this a good microphone? Is not? Just let me know. Drop me a comment and I will go back to you, I'm sure. Guys, please like and subscribe our videos, and I'll be here next week. Don't forget, we do a video every week. We do gaming and tech. So next week probably will be gaming. It's all for today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and see you next time.